Raju and Ramu were best friends. One day, Raju met Ramu and told him about his financial problems.
I need money urgently. What should I do?
No need to panic, my friend. Many mobile apps offer immediate loans without any document or security.
Oh, that's great. Quick money without any documents. Not even the credit score is being checked. I will immediately take a loan of rupees 5,000.
Raju downloads a mobile app without verifying whether the entity providing loan is registered one. He gets rupees 5,000 in his bank account within no time. Within 7 days, Raju started receiving calls for repayment of 7,500 rupees. Raju still had not arranged money to repay the old loan and gets shocked by the demand of 7,500 rupees as repayment for the 5,000 rupees loan. Raju approached another friend, Lakshman.
I was under the impression that I will repay my loan amount along with nominal interest charges, but this app is charging exorbitant interest and many other charges. What shall I do now?
Oh, did you verify whether the entity is registered with RBI or have any other valid registration? Else, they would not be covered under any rules, and you are bound to pay as per the agreement only. Always check whether the finance company, non-banking financial company, is registered, licensed by RBI.
Be cautious and don't take loan if any mobile app is providing a quick loan without checking any document and credit score. And always check the interest rate charged. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.